I'll give you a tutorial on the world record paper airplane for flight time. I don't know how far it will fly. For the last couple of days it has been raining, so I don't know how far this can really go distance as the world record. I'm gonna go get the model first. So when we finish our plane, we'll look like this. And let's get started. Now you're just going to want a regular sheet of printer paper. And then you're going to want to fold it in half in the hot dog style. Hot dog style is the long way. Like that. You're going to have that crease. And then you're going to want to take the top. So you don't want to make it, you want to leave like a millimeter or a centimeter of space between that. So it doesn't fully touch the center line, as you see. Just going to do the same. See, those corners don't fully stick together. Then you're going to want to fold it down. But you're not going to want it to touch the bottom completely. And then you're just going to want to fold this to the center. You see that there's still a little triangle under there, and just do that same step. Pull it down to the center crease. And then, like some airplanes, I'm going to unfold it to see that diagonal line. They're just going to fold this top to that line, like now the paper should look like that. It has like an edge. And then you're going to do that same thing on the other side. Fold this. And you're just going to fold these to the center. You're going to recognize you're going to have a bigger hole. And then you're going to want to flip it over and fold it in half. And then so you're going to want to, it's going to be super tricky because I'm using printer paper. If you have a super light sheet of paper, probably easier. You want to fold that like that. And you're going to want to open it kind of till you see this. This is going to be a hard step. You want to tuck it like an inside of, so you're going to want to have this, and then you're going to want to tuck that up into a diamond, and then fold the top to the bottom, like so, like that, and then fold the top down to the bottom. Fold this thing down to the bottom. Like that, you fold it down, and then you're going to want to crease it into the model like that, and then it's not going to be, then you're going to want to fold that side, so you're going to want to fold this side out to there, and then do that same step with the other one, so they don't have a front, and then you wanna fold it. Oh wait, no, I did a wrong step on this one. You're actually gonna want fold this down to the bottom and fold in half again. You're gonna fold like that, so that this corner touches that corner. So you get that, and then you're going to do that again. There are more world record paper airplanes, and now you see in the previous model we had 2 wingtips. You know how to fold those by just folding this like halfway to the center and opening it again. Like that. And your world record paper airplane is done. Hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll upload another video soon.